Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this watch. Yes, I figured that I need to show you more of my shopping side or balance it out with the styling side. So I'm a personal stylist and shopper. That means I help my clients to shop items. I make sure they get authentic items from the UK, from the US, and have it delivered to their doorsteps anywhere they are. So basically we are going to be unboxing this together now. And it's going to be very short, a very short video. This is my third Corniche buy, and I think the watch is really classy. It comes with this certificate of origin. I've done an unboxing video for a Corniche before, and basically what this has is it contains the reference number, the model name, its heritage chronograph, and it contains other specification of the phone, the case. The strap is genuine leather strap. The case is 39 mm, that is the water resistance, and the movement is Seiko VK64. It's got crystals on it and it's sapphire, and it also comes with a care instruction, and I'm very big on care instructions. If you know me, you know I'm all about fashion maintenance, be able to maintain your items. So it comes in this box. So you can open it up, and there's this material, this velvet material that it comes in, and basically you can just pull this out this way or just lift your box however you like. Okay, so the box comes with this really nice box that looks like a piano, and you can just click this button here to open it. And then we see our watch is okay. So inside this box, you've seen the watch is so beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's really nice. Really, you can see the yellow gold. Okay, so it comes with something extra, and it's just the owner's manual where it talks about the watch, different parts of the watch, and basically everything you need to know about the watch. It's placed right here this way, and there's this little piece of cloth that you can use to clean your watch and also clean the case. The price point of this watch, as at the time we purchased it, was $425, and Corniche ships. They offer free express shipping via UPS, I think. I'm putting their website in the description box below, and they have a wide range of beautiful watches for men and women. They also have the Is and As collection, so you can buy something for yourself and for bae. I think they have really nice watches, and this is just really beautiful. And I think, okay, there's also something else. When you buy a watch off their website, you get a free bracelet of $65, worth $65. I'm not sure if that promo is still going on, but I know the first 2 times I shopped Corniche watches, we got free bracelets for worth $65. So guys, let me know what you think of this watch. It's so beautiful. I'm putting it back in its box now, and also let me know what you think of this unboxing video. Do you want to see more items? I shop gorgeous items, luxury items for my clients, and I have it delivered to them at their doorstep. So let me know if you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do give this video a thumbs up, share with someone. In case you're looking to buy a Corniche watch and you want to be sure it's authentic, send me a message. My contact details are in the description box as well. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.